Hello everyone, Ms. Barone here.
And Mr. Ramirez here.
In today's Makerspace challenge will involve Dr. Ellen Ochoa. Dr. Ellen Ochoa loves flying, and this summer she is entering in a flight competition. So you will be using your design thinking skills to help Dr. Ochoa win the competition.
In this challenge, you will be designing an airplane car with the materials provided. It is required that your airplane car has wings and wheels. To test this design, you will have to roll your airplane car off of a table and allow it to glide off of the table. Once the airplane car stops moving, you will use your tape measure to measure the distance from the table to your car.
The materials for this activity look like this. The materials included in your bag are masking tape, popsicle sticks, straws, wheels, rods for the wheels, and paper. The background you have gained on Doctora Ellen Ochoa will help you go through the 5 steps of the design thinking process. You will be able to do step 1. You will be able to empathize with her. You will also be able to do step 2. You will be able to define the challenges, the needs, and the problems for Ellen Ochoa. And remember everyone, you can only use the following material. You can use glue or masking tape to put your parts together, and you can use the scissors to cut your parts. You must have wheels and wings for your paper car airplane. Step number 3 is ideate. This is where you will be brainstorming. You will be sketching using the materials provided to you. You will be also brainstorming and collaborating with others.
Step number 4 is prototype. This is where you're going to be building your design based on your sketch. Keep in mind that this challenge will be a bit more difficult, but that's okay. Keep trying, keep persevering, and you will be proud of your results. I'm going to be building my design based off of my sketch now. I am now building the frame where we will be attaching the landing gear. Now that I have built the frame and attached the landing gear, I am ready to attach my wings. Now that I have added the wings, I'm ready to test. Here we go.
Step number 5 is test. During this test, you're going to be launching your airplane car off of the table. It will then glide in the air and land on the floor. After this is done, you will take your tape measure and measure the distance traveled from the beginning of the table to where your airplane car has landed.
Okay guys, here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Okay everyone, Don't forget to measure the distance traveled. You start the measurement at the front of the table and you end the measurement at the front of the airplane. During this test, the airplane successfully traveled 57 inches. How can we improve the gliding of this airplane and the distance traveled? Well, now it's your turn. Using the design thinking process, let's try to improve this airplane.
Next, you will be applying the 5 steps of a design thinking process with your teachers. Good luck!